Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pasquini Libyan 90 Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because the steamer wasn't working, and it was the steamer knob that was broken. As you can see over here, it's completely cracked. This is the hot water one. We pretty much replaced both of the knobs as well as the steam valve assembly over there, so there's not any leaks or anything. Some water was leaking through here, and yeah, as you can see, it's working perfectly fine, having really good pressure, no leaks through here, as well as the hot water. In just one more cup, working perfectly fine, with no leaks as well. Alright, because I use some hot water, we're gonna wait a little bit for the machine to go back to pressure, and then we're gonna do a test shot of espresso. We also did a tune-up on this machine. We replaced the gasket. As you can see, this gasket is completely in really bad condition. It's just completely cracked. Just to show you another one. There you go. This is a Pasquini gasket, and as you can see, this one is flexible, not like this one, which is no longer anymore. We also did clean the shower screen. The shower screen of the Pasquini is this one. As you can see, it was really dirty. We also have a picture of it. Which I will show you.
Yeah, is there a time tomorrow that works well for you?
There it is. That's the shower screen. As you can see, it was really bad. So we ended up cleaning that. We replaced the shower screen from the machine. Descaled the machine. There was a lot of scale, especially around the inner valve of the hot water. There was really a lot of scale. So we pretty much removed all that. Make sure everything's nice and clean. And yeah, let's test the machine now. I might have used a very fine grind for this machine. As you can see, it's kind of barely dripping. Doesn't have a really good water flow, but it's extracting it. Yeah, unfortunately the grind I chose for this machine was not the best one. And yeah, we have a little bit of crema in there, but not as much as we should have. And as you can see, yeah, it's definitely fine. There's some water on the top of the water filter. But the water flow of the machine, as you can see, is perfect. And there you have it, Pasquini Libya working once again. So thanks for putting Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. And thanks for watching.